In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by selecting clock. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner of it, and before adding a new one, use those three dots at the top right corner. Then select settings and adjust all of those under alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back. Now to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour, and when you finished, hit OK. Finally, it's time to adjust your alarm clock however you wish to. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And to exclude some dates, click on this plus next to pause alarm. Then exclude a date and hit OK to save it. You can always remove it by clicking on remove icon next to it. Now click on this little bell. Decide if you wish to download YouTube Music or Spotify, or hit dismiss. If you wish to use YouTube Music or Spotify, click on it at the top and log in to use music from it. You can also select sounds, hit add new and tap on any song from your smartphone to add it. If you don't want to do it either, just pick one of those sounds, click on the chosen one and go back. Now, thanks to those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine, you can disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And you can also add it or remove it from Google Assistant routine. To hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To switch off your alarm completely, use blue switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, click on the gray one. Then, if you wish to edit it, use the same icon at the top right corner and make some changes. Lastly, if you want to get rid of it completely, hit delete at the bottom left corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!